This is the AxtroFit3. We're going to unbox this and pair it with your Android phone with the Healthy365 app. So this device has got the following functions: activity tracking, touch button, is able to sync wirelessly with Bluetooth, which we will show you in a while. It has got heart rate tracking, sleep tracking. It's compatible with your Healthy365 app. It's water resistant and is able to do a blood oxygen tracking. So let's unbox and pair it with our app. So this is what you have in box. It's got the tracker itself. It's got the charging cable, as well as a user guide. So this is the user guide for the AxtroFit3. Now that we have unboxed the AxtroFit3, let's power on the device and connect it to our Healthy365 app. To power it on, do a long press on the button itself. Next, start up our Healthy365 app. Go to Profile. It is currently connected to our fitness tracker, which is Garmin Connect. Select that. Select Change Tracker. So ensure you have synced your existing app. Select Yes. We will pair with the HPB trackers. So there's two ways you can pair your tracker. One is by scanning the QR code. You can get it on a box over here or on the tracker itself by scanning it. That will be one easy way, by scanning the QR code, but we will show you how to pair via Bluetooth. So select Pair via Bluetooth. Select our tracker, which is the AxtroFit3, and it has found our tracker near us, and confirm. So there's a Bluetooth pairing request. Select Pair. Select Pair. Key in the passcode that is displayed on our tracker. And your tracker is now connected. So it is that simple to connect your tracker to the Healthy365 app. Next, we will show you some basic functions on the tracker itself. Everything is done on the button, and there's only one button on the tracker. So now the time is shown in digital. You can actually do a long press and do a press on the button again, and this is the analog watch face. You can change from digital to analog by doing a long press. There, now your watch face has changed from digital to analog. So this is the steps counter. If you're wearing it, and you will track your number of steps for the day. And this is the workout. So do a long press on the workout, and you can actually go walking, go running, go cycling, or others. To exit the workout mode, do a long press on this menu and it will exit. Other functions it has is the blood oxygen tracking. To enable that, make sure you are wearing the watch on your wrist and you do a long press. For now, we'll skip that. And this is to connect the tracker to the Healthy365 app via the QR code. And the last menu is to turn the tracker on and off. So this is a quick overview of the AxtroFit3, and we have just shown you how to connect it to your 365 app. Last but not least, you can simply charge the tracker by placing the tracker on the Cradle itself. And on the USB cable side, you need to plug it into a phone adapter or even a power bank to charge the tracker.